Mayuresh, an important statement there coming in from NCB at this point when asked about the next course of action now that both Souvik and Samuel Miranda have been sent to NCB custody. The NCB spokesperson clearly saying that Rhea will also be called in at this point.
Yes, absolutely. They didn't mention that when they will be calling Rhea for questioning. But Apurva, what is interesting is the remand copy. In the remand application, point number A, they have mentioned it's basically regarding Souvik, as that is Souvik, had to be confronted with arrested individuals who are on NCB remand till 9. It means he will be confronted with Zayed, he will be confronted with Basit, he will be confronted with Samuel Miranda also. That is number one. What is point B? Thorough custodial investigation to uncover the various other linkages of network who were indulged in selling and purchasing of the narcotics drug. Point number C, which is important, he has to be confronted with Dipesh Sawant and Reha Chakravarti also, as there are specific roles, ingredients of criminal conspiracy, abatement and various attempt to commit offense. So that is important part. And another important part, that is D, the financial trial of all their previous transaction of drug purchases has to be verified. So certainly that NCB is making it clear that there will be a joint, we can say, interrogation or confrontation, to be more specific, where they will be calling Rhea Chakravarti, they will be confronting Rhea Chakravarti, Souvik, Samuel Miranda, and Dipesh Sawant together. So it is a very, we can say it's a very important news, because that the point number C, they have mentioned that in their remand copy. Back to you.
Absolutely, and in fact, there has been a lot of details there mentioned in the remand copy, which Mirror now has also access. There are multiple details there and several grounds, as Mayuresh, you're also pointing out, that has been mentioned. The grounds on which the NCB has sought custody of Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda. Now, this also includes the fact that Souvik has revealed names of the people to whom he has been selling drugs. And the remand copy also says that Souvik's custody was needed to confront him with Rhea Chakravarti, as there are specific angles of criminal conspiracy and also abetment which needs to be probed. So, Mayuresh, this is going to be hugely important, because now we are looking at the NCB trying to connect the dots at this point. And in this remand copy, the grounds have been made very clear, which also indicates that Souvik Chakravarti was in fact actively part of the entire drug network. He had a lot of connection. It could be beyond the 5 people who've been arrested. It could be really beyond the names that have been taken right now as well.
Absolutely, and that's the point which NCB was making since day one. They arrested Basit and Zed, because if you see both the remand application of Basit and Zed, they have clearly mentioned that while giving their statement, they have revealed many names in their statement, and we need to interrogate these people, we need to question these people regarding the drug link. But what is important here is Souvik, because while arguing in the court, the public prosecutor for NCB has clearly said that the respondent used to facilitate drug delivery and payment through credit cards, cash payment gateways for the contrabands. And also, as per the CDR analysis, few characters are absconding and yet to be uncovered. So there are few more characters into it which NCB is looking for, and who were in touch with Souvik as well as in Samuel Miranda. So it would be interesting to see who are these characters, and if NCB is claiming that they are absconding, then certainly it's a really big news that there are more characters we can see in coming future, in coming days, which NCB will either nab them or summon them for the questioning. Back to you.
All right. Also, with regards to Dipesh Sawant, Mayuresh, he was also brought in for questioning at the NCB office. Give us a bit of background about Dipesh Sawant, who we now understand is Sushant's house help. What is his background, the kind of connections that have now come out of Dipesh Sawant in relation to, say, Souvik or Samuel Miranda at this point?
Absolutely, that's a very important point. Why NCB wants Dipesh Sawant or to be jointly confronted, or Souvik to be jointly confronted with Dipesh Sawant and Rhea Chakravarti, because it means since morning we are trying to make this point that NCB feels that Dipesh Sawant is aware of many such things. He was here today, or we can say he was there at 10:30 p.m. In the evening. He had come to the NCB, and still he is here. That's what we have been given to understand. So as of now, let me clarify one thing. As of now, NCB has not shown Deepesh Sawant detained or arrested. So he's still very much there, and NCB is saying that we are recording his statement. So in his statement, he must have given something. That's why they have put Deepesh Sawant's name in remand copy. So it would be interesting to see whether they call Deepesh Sawant as one of the witness for this entire conspiracy of this entire case, or whether they also make Deepesh Sawant accused. But before that, they have to confront Deepesh Sawant with Riya Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti when they will find the discrepancies in joint confrontation as well as in the statements recorded by Riya Chakravarti, to be more precise, Shouvik Chakravarti and others. That time will come to know that what exactly role was played by Deepesh. But as of now, NCB is looking at Deepesh as one of the witness, though they are not saying it officially.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates. Crucial developments there coming in. We'll, of course, come back to you for all the latest updates now coming in.